In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the E0 error on your HP DeskJet printer. Whether you've got a DeskJet 2800, 2700, or an earlier model, one of these fixes will work for you. But first, what is the E0 error? On these DeskJet printers, E0 is an ink cartridge error. The printer can't properly detect one of the cartridges. I'll start with the quickest fixes that solve this for most people. Then in step 6, I'll show you a simple test to determine whether it's your cartridge that's bad or the printer itself. First, with the printer switched on, open the cartridge access door and wait for the carriage to move to the center. Press each cartridge down to release it, then push it back in until you feel a firm click and the front edge sits level, not drooping or sticking out. Close the door and check if the E0 error has gone. Try cleaning the electrical contacts on both the cartridges and the printer itself. Dirt or smudges can impact the connection. Use a lint-free cloth, slightly moistened with distilled water, to clean these areas gently. Check if your printer software is up to date. Sometimes an outdated printer driver can cause errors. Visit the HP website and download the latest drivers for your DeskJet model. Ensure that the cartridges are genuine HP products. Non-HP or refilled cartridges might cause compatibility issues leading to errors. Look for any obstructions or debris inside the printer that might block the cartridge carriage movement. Clearing these obstructions could help resolve the issue. Try a hard reset of the printer. Turn it off, unplug it from the power source, wait a minute, and then plug it back in and turn it on. A reset can often clear up minor glitches. Lastly, inspect the cartridges for any visible damage or leaks. Even minor damage can cause errors. Replace any damaged cartridges before proceeding. If you've tried all 7 of those fixes and your printer is still showing the E0 error, it usually points to a failing ink cartridge or a hardware fault in the printer. At this stage, it's worth trying a brand new set of genuine cartridges. But if that doesn't solve it, or your DeskJet is getting old, it might be time to replace the printer altogether. You can see our current top recommended printers here in the next video.